Drain backing up on them. Yeah, drawn out. Hit it with the tape, I get more action out of this guy here, especially with the grease. There's some stuff in there. What the fuck is in there? What is that? So it turns out that the employees are removing the strainer out of the floor sink at the end of the night. They're sweeping everything into the drain, but not only that, they had a bunch of grease get on the ground, so they put like 50 brown paper towels over top of the grease. And instead of picking them up and throwing them away, they pushed them all down the floor sink while running water, clogged up the line. Yeah. This is nothing. I pulled out so much. That's what was all over that cable. Just grease and brown, shredded brown paper towel all mixed together. Good stuff. Fun times.